sad reality of today is that even when 30,000 to over 90,000 AI platforms exist today, people still mostly rely on ChatGPT or Gemini. And they just use it as their personal agent, friend, or therapist. But what the majority of the population doesn't realize is that if we use a little bit more than these two tools and combine some of our personal skills with it, we can turn AI into a money-making machine. And no time than right now would be better to do that, because only 5 to 10% of known internet population actually use AI. So now that you know why you need to monetize your AI, let's jump to how you can do that. By guessing 5 easiest way to make money through, well, you guessed it, AI. First and a medium effort way to make money using AI is running a faceless YouTube channel. Now I know you have come across those headlines where YouTube has banned AI slop channels, but I'm not asking you to do that. I'm asking you to create valuable content on YouTube. All these informative videos that you see where someone is explaining a concept through animations and you can hear a voice behind it, well, that's all AI. Yep. Animations are AI and even the voice is AI. All you have to do is go on Google Veo 3 and create animations of your choice. Any topic that you like, any niche that you like. Then go on ChatGPT to generate a script, a detailed script that will make the audience interact with your content. After that, go to 11 Labs to create a voiceover for that particular animation and put them both together through any basic editing app like Canva or CapCut. Boom! Your video is ready. All you have to do is invest 15 to 20 minutes of your time a day and get a video ready. Maybe a short or a long form video. But the key to this method is that you have to stay consistent. Results wouldn't start to appear in the beginning of your journey maybe, but if you're consistent for a month, you'll see the number of subscribers increasing like anything, because ChatGPT is going to give you a very, very interactive script. If you stay consistent for some time with the method, then you'll get around 30,000 to 40,000 per month in return. The next method to make money using AI is selling a service. I know that sounds big. What do you mean by selling a service? I'm not asking you to sell a complicated service in which you have to invest a lot of time and effort in. Just offer simpler service like solving an assignment for someone or helping someone write an essay. You can simply use AI platforms like Brainly.ai or ChatGPT or Gemini with the assignments or the essays, and then use Humanize.ai to add some human touch to it. You'd be surprised by the number of high school students or middle school students or early college students that require help with their assignments. And they have still not figured out how to really grasp AI. A close friend of mine started to use this method when she just entered college with me, and she made approximately 50,000 per month in the first month of doing this. Now look, the key to this is cold outreach. Reach out to as many students as possible using as many platforms as possible like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can also build a simple website for yourself using Wix.ai, which contains reviews of the students that you have helped in the past and also contains your pricing. This will build upon your profile and make more people believe in your services. Now look, here on this video, all I can give you is an overview. I can tell you the name of the platform. I can tell you that you have to do cold outreach. But I really want to help you more than that. That's why I have created a detailed workshop for you, where of course I tell you more than 5 ways of monetizing your AI. But along with that, we also open each and every AI platform and learn everything step by step. We actually learn the key concepts of cold outreach and how to send messages and who to send messages to. And it's a pre-recorded workshop. 3 lectures, 20 minutes each lecture. So it wouldn't take a lot of your time and you can do it at any time of your convenience. And I'll tell you something better. The first 100 people enrolling for the workshop will only get it for rupees 99. For rupees 99, you'll get the effort of a year that I put into this. But once we reach the 100 mark, the price would increase to 199, then 299 until we hit 499. So you really want to enroll for this as soon as possible. The workshop will be live by the 7th or the 8th of April, so you actually have a chance of being in the top 100. Link for this workshop you can find in the description of this video just on the top. The Google form is right there on the top. Now, coming back to the third way of making money using AI. And this, according to me, is the easiest method. Designing AI thumbnails. Every creator that wants to make it big needs a banger thumbnail. Not everyone can afford to hire a professional designer for this, because they charge at least $150 to $200 per thumbnail, at least. Why am I talking in dollars suddenly? Well, you'll get to know eventually. Every creator who has just started to climb the ladder of success wants to get the most by investing as less as possible. But at the same time, they want to keep the quality of their videos, their thumbnails and everything very, very high. This is where you come into the picture. You can create effortless thumbnails by using AI platforms like Nano Banana Pro or Canva AI. But before you do that, here are a few steps that you actually need to follow. First, pick your niche. Pick the kind of category that you want to create these thumbnails for. Second, pick a random creator, a rising creator in this category. Third, analyze top clicked thumbnails in this category. Basically, all the videos in the top, when you look up that particular thing, all the videos in the top have highly clickable thumbnails. Download them through a random thumbnail downloader website, upload them all on ChatGPT, and ask it to analyze those thumbnails for you. Along with that, also ask it to give you more ideas in this particular category and what other kind of thumbnail you can create. Now put that very description that was given by ChatGPT to you on Nano Banana Pro or Canva AI. Along with this, also upload a picture of the creator that you want to create this thumbnail for. And boom! The output is your thumbnail. You see how unlike the past two methods, we went step by step in this process, and I did not just tell you the name of the platforms, but I actually told you how to do it. This is just a preview of the workshop. There we'll actually open Nano Banana Pro and we'll open Canva AI, we'll download different thumbnails and then see how to do it. Anyways, coming back to the video. Now, once your thumbnail is ready, reach out to that creator. Send them that example thumbnail and tell them that this is a sample thumbnail that I've created for you and I want to work for you on a long-term basis. Let's try and finalize something. Once you send out 100 emails, you'll at least get 20 replies, out of which 10 would be positive. You can charge around $20 to $50 for each thumbnail, which is way lesser than what a professional thumbnail designer would charge you. And even if you're only able to land, let's say 10 gigs, you'll at least make 19,000 to 50,000 rupees a month. Alternatively, you can also sell these services on Fiverr instead of alternatively maybe additionally. Any which way, you can get a good sum of money monthly. The fourth and again one of the most easiest way of making money using AI is script writing. Finding and landing the client process will remain the same as the last step. Identify the creator and then reach out with a sample script. According to me, Gemini is the best platform to research. So just upload the niche of the creator that you like, upload the type of videos that that creator makes, and then it will give you a reply as to what type of videos that you can create and research for you. Then just copy everything that you got from Gemini, put it on ChatGPT and ask it to give you a quick 1-minute script. Send that into the creator and ask them that you want to work with them on a long-term basis. And again, with this method, you can make around 20,000 to 40,000 rupees per month easily. Next, and the final method to make money using AI is AI reviews. You wouldn't find this method in any other video on YouTube, at least the ones that I took a look at, which is weird because I don't know why is this method so underrated. And when you integrate this process with AI, you literally have to do nothing. Amazon Associates, Google Reviews, and Trustpilot pay a lot to consistent reviewers. Amazon even sends you free products just to see what your review would be. So after signing up for all these services like Amazon Associates, etc., all you have to do is go on ChatGPT and ask it to write a review for a certain product that you like, or maybe you just ordered it in the past and you just want to review it now. Paste the review that you just got from ChatGPT and enjoy your free money. Now, the only way you can get the best out of any of these methods is by using as many of them as possible. If you are consistent with all of the techniques that I discussed in this video and you're able to give 2 to 3 hours a day to all of them, you would easily be able to make at least 1 lakh rupees up to 10 lakh rupees every month. And if you want to master all of these techniques plus some more, don't forget to sign up for that workshop. Because remember, only the first 100 people are going to get it for ₹99. And don't forget to follow along, subscribe to this channel, like this video. I come every weekend just to entertain you, sometimes with science, sometimes with tech, entertainment for nerds. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.